Okay, welcome back everybody to another tutorial on FunEditor. We are going to make a intro screen for your game on FunEditor. First, you're going to need an empty folder and a background. Okay, now open up FunEditor. Let it load. Go to Projects, Properties. You're going to probably have to do this for every project unless you want the screen to be bigger. But make it 800 by 600 and a 32-bit. Basically, every game you're going to do is in 32-bit unless you want to make it an 8-bit, which would be weird. Okay, hit OK. Now open up all these so you can see what you're doing. Now we're going to add a map. Name it Intro. Click on the three dots. Find where you made your intro screen. Mine's on my desktop. You have to make it a bitmap, .bmp, and make it 800 by 600 intro screen. See, here's mine. And hit OK. Add another level by right-clicking Game. Add level. Then we're right-click Maps. Add. We're going to add another one. I haven't made another one, so I'm just going to use the other one. Name it Game Map. Click on the three dots. I'm just going to use the exact same screen. Hit OK. Go to Object Functions, right-click it, and Add. Name it Intro. Make it used by levels. Do if p keyboard if p keyboard it is press if it is pressed DIK underscore space. Let's just make it space for now. You can make it whatever you want. Just make sure it's a capitalized. You can make it DIKI, so when you press I, it goes to your game, or P or L or whatever you want. But for right now, we're going to do space. Wow. And hit enter, tab, my game next level. And that's all you need for the intro function. Save it. Oh, wait, hold on. Forgot one thing. Save it. Exit. Go to level 1, right click, properties. Go to behavior. Click on the three dots on the left. Add the intro by hitting the little plus sign. Hit OK. Hit OK. Now go to projects, save. And go to that folder that you made on your desktop. I already have something saved there, so it's going to ask me to delete it. Okay, now run it, and if I get an error, it should tell me, and I'll fix it. Okay, no error. The game starts up. Intro to game, and then you hit space, and if you see the loading thing, intro to game again, and there you go, you made your intro for your game. Now, since this is such a short video, I'm going to show you my game that I've been working on with FunEditor. I call it Maz Game. I know, I spelled it wrong, I don't care. I'm going to run it. Okay, here's my game. It's going to be really laggy since I'm capturing my screen right now, but you kind of lay these kind of weird type of bullet type things. This isn't my completed one. I have completed this game. It's just I have not emailed it to myself yet. Yeah, basically you just go through this whole entire thing. I've made a little cheat thing right here where you can go through the collision of the map and you can run into anything you want. Those little crosses are health packs. You can regenerate your health. And once you get to the end, you go on to the next level just like an intro screen, but it has a vector direction on where you touch it. This is another map. I've made a cheat on it, but since it's a scrolling map, I could not have such a good cheat. I had to go pixel by pixel, and then you have to turn it off or it'll mess up the scrolling bounding box that I have here. It's a bigger map. To be able to do this, you have to go to properties and change the how big the map is. Make sure you've made your screen, made your art this big. See right here, I don't have any art right here. So it's just kind of duplicating the art and making it look all weird. And since I didn't put any collision on the inside, it'll just let me go right back into the map. And here's my third map that lets you it's just a more complex map with some more enemies. I let my friend make the enemies on this one, so that's why it looks like SpongeBob. And it had to be underwater level, so. And that's my game. I've been working on for like a week, and that is a FunEditor tutorial on how to make an intro screen.